salad. Where's the salad?
He's in timeout. They put him in a little timeout chair.
You're in charge of salad, Frank. You gotta make it a little bit more.
No, just get like the other bag. There's a bag of like clean stuff. Bag, get that out of my face.
Why are we all looking in the refrigerator? What are we looking for? Yeah, she's picking
Where's
on
the
there.
salad? That's exactly what I did to everyone. Dominic, that's not in there.
Bill just
So
shot me the
from
finger,
now
man.
on, it's 4 pounds of
I don't want this
pasta
put away.
and
You don't want
6 pounds of meatballs if we do meatballs. Or anything like that.
Grandpa.
Anybody wants to
I'm
get
gonna
anything
make
off
the
their
salad.
goddamn
One more
chest?
salad?
You want to get off your chest?
Oh my gosh.
Everybody wants to fight. Anybody want to get something off your goddamn chest?
Alexa, give me the thing.
It's getting loud in here.
Who do you want a salad for?
Grandpa.
Andy Hall.
I'm walking around. Bill doesn't get his head. A close up of Frank's head. You have to examine his skull. Yep, make a salad. Keep him going. Keep him going, man. Keep him eating. Bill finally got away from the game.
Why, Michael, why'd they put a couple
No.
more seconds back on the clock?
I think Florida will eat enough on the different and
Florida.
Art can heave it down though.
Sharon,
You're gonna have to sit up at that end from now on because you can't
really
see you
enough.
down there.
Sharon,
Yeah, Dad.
shut the hell up. Sharon.
Yeah, really. It's about time somebody put her in her place.
No, I
Listen.
didn't. I meant that as a joke.
No, it doesn't.
She's the only one not talking.
No, Michael.
What do you mean? She's been talking all
Like
night.
I
Man.
said, I don't want no salad. I'm not eating it.
What are you talking about?
You're gonna go make her go away.
Keep an eye on Nina.
What do you mean? What?
Yeah.
Alexa said we needed salad.
Grandpa, you have to eat it.
Please.
You have
Who's
to
in the
eat it.
basement?
Cigarette, taking him out front.
Grandpa, listen to me. You just had all this pasta
Come here.
and
Give
meat
it to
and
him.
bread. You have to eat this.
Look, all
Bring in
my,
Simba next time.
all grandmoms come to rescue.
It's Simba's turn.
That's
Listen,
a strange
listen.
dog.
Listen.
No strange dog.
I think he likes that one.
It'd be interesting to see them together.
You like blue cheese?
Don't put it on it because I'm not eating it.
Grandpa, you have to eat it.
Oh yeah, I just posted it. Isn't he cute?
Frank, please put that away.
They're making me angry.
I was so pissed off. My one neighbor said,
You're
"Whoa, that dog
All right, tell him he needs his green. He needs
I
his
got
green.
like a little bit of an attitude.
Eat your greens.
Eat your greens. God
Give it
damn
a
it.
Grandpa, you're really being childish. You're being childish. Put it down.
Come on, put it over there. Put it over.
Michael, give me that beer. You can't drink that. Pass me that beer down.
And their dogs bark a lot, like when they're not home.
Trying to get
they
that
bark
beer.
up
Is that beer in there? Michael,
right, we're
there you
not
got
having
that. Oh, drank it already? Did I drink
Get
it?
home
Listen
at
to me.
1 o'clock, and when I
We're in a fight.
Drank it already.
Not happy.
in there, Lex was in there.
Okay, listen.
Who sells it?
Listen, I want to make an announcement.
Oh, God. Oh,
Hold
God.
it.
Holy shit.
This is the last
Mom,
time.
you won't stop talking again.
This is the last time.
For the purple shaded counties for the Poconos,
Remember what I
Allentown,
just
Reading,
said.
and Lancaster.
Last
As
time
we go throughout the
As long
rest
as
of the
it's in
evening
my
hours,
house,
significant icing
I'm
is
gonna
a
make a
concern. So
rule.
the warnings and the advisories will stay
When
up
we're
until
together,
the overnight hours.
Yo,
till
bitch.
4
Yo, ah!
Enjoy.
As far as the snow that we've seen so far,
What
We
is
don't watch anything. We don't watch no baseball games, no football
Oh, okay.
games.
If the Phillies are on, you're not going to want to
No,
watch it?
all we're
Okay.
gonna do is maybe listen to music.
Didn't you tell her to shut up a while ago?
No, I know why I said it, because she's the only one that wasn't.
We told her to shut the hell up.
You like are Mrs. Serious?
Do you know
Poor
why?
Bill, let him sit down. Bill,
Sharon,
sit down.
Sharon, I'm watching everybody. You're the only one that wasn't talking. So I said, shut the hell up, Sharon.
Right.
You know.
That's how you do it.
It makes so much more
It was
sense
the.
now.
Well, I understand. I think you should tell her to shut up more
I
often.
started to chop at my
Tell her
grandson,
to
Michael.
Oh, yeah.
He missed the whole dinner watching that damn ball game. Now, do you know what we covered?
But he saw LeBron James get kicked in the garbanzos.
Show him your fake hair, man.
and
Grandpa
they
thinks
didn't
his
even
hair
punch
is
the guy
fake.
out.
Question mark.
His hair is real.
Grandpa, be
See
your
how thick his hair
salad.
is?
Grandpa, be your salad.
He won't eat
I'm gonna come over there and give you such a hug that you're gonna love it.
That's not funny. Look, it's got a tapeworm. Your son there, Frank, can't stop eating.
Grandpa, what did you say? You're gonna give me a hook?
At that back door to
A hug.
Let him out. I'll have to
A hook.
But he loves it.
Don't talk to me. You shut your mouth when you talk to me.
It keeps
Oh,
everything
that's
off.
what you're trying to say, Mike. You said,
Frank's
do
birthday.
you have
Frank.
inside dogs?
Did you didn't go back to
And
Like
Sharon.
I just said something smart. That was I'm like,
here?
what?